Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a blast from the past with a unique piece of technology, the Fuji FinePix W1, a dual 10MP real 3D digital camera. This camera aimed to bring 3D photography to the masses, and it's quite an interesting device to look at in today's world. The FinePix W1 features not one, but two 10MP CCD sensors. These sensors work in tandem to capture images with depth, creating a true 3D effect. It also has a 3x optical zoom, which is decent for its time, allowing you to get a bit closer to your subject without sacrificing image quality. The camera sports a 2.8-inch LCD screen, which is used to view your 3D creations, though the 3D effect is best viewed on a compatible 3D display. One of the coolest features of the W1 is its ability to shoot both 3D and 2D still images and movies. This gives you the flexibility to capture moments in traditional formats or experiment with the immersive world of 3D. The camera also has a unique function that allows you to take wide-angle and telephoto photos with a single press of the shutter button, offering creative possibilities. The FinePix W1 supports Fuji W1 mountings and has an aspect ratio of 4:3. It utilizes CCD photo sensor technology and saves files in MP4 format. Now let's talk about the overall experience. Holding the FinePix W1, you immediately notice its unique design. The dual lenses are definitely eye-catching, and the camera feels relatively solid. Navigating the menus is straightforward, and the camera is easy to use. The image quality in 3D mode is surprisingly good, especially when viewed on a proper 3D display. The depth effect is noticeable and adds a new dimension to your photos and videos. However, it's important to remember that this camera is from a different era, so don't expect the image quality to match modern smartphones or dedicated cameras. In 2D mode, the image quality is acceptable, but it's not the camera's primary focus. The 3x optical zoom is useful for framing your shots, but it's not particularly powerful. The 2.8-inch LCD screen is adequate for reviewing images, but it can be difficult to see in bright sunlight. The FinePix W1 is compatible with Fuji W1 mountings, which is great if you want to use external flashes or other accessories. The 4:3 aspect ratio is standard for its time, and the MP4 file format is widely compatible. In conclusion, the Fuji FinePix W1 is a fascinating piece of technology that offers a unique 3D photography experience. While it may not compete with modern cameras in terms of image quality, it's a fun and interesting device to experiment with, especially if you're interested in 3D photography. It's a great conversation starter and a reminder of how far digital photography has come.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.